Hi, my name is Caitlin,
And my name is Safan.
and we are part of the pharmacy team here at Husson University. What's your name?
Hello, my name is HAL, and I'm the world's most advanced interdisciplinary patient simulator.
Wow, the most advanced? Are you sure, Hal?
Of course I am.
How are you doing today, Hal?
I'm doing well, how about you?
Doing okay.
Now, Hal, why have you decided to join the Husson Simulation Education Center?
I chose to attend Husson Simulation Education Center because I strongly believe that students should be trained in realistic scenarios. Ones that help them develop critical thinking skills and prepare them for real-world clinical practice. It is an honor for me to be a part of the College of Health and Pharmacy at Husson University.
You sound so passionate, Hal.
Oh no, I feel tears in my eyes. Could I please have a tissue?
Here you go.
Now, Hal, can you tell me a little more about yourself?
I'm powered by AI, and my capabilities are superior to other patient simulators. I represent a new generation of technology that will aid in educating and preparing students. This way, students can help patients overcome difficult situations by sharing their knowledge and skills.
And what makes you so unique, Hal?
As you may have noticed from my title, I am an interdisciplinary patient simulator. One of the things I help students learn is how to work together effectively, even if they come from different healthcare disciplines. This will give them an unparalleled level of real-world skills that will help to instill confidence.
Well, that sounds awesome. I would like to welcome you to the team, and I'm sure you'll become a great benefit to us.
It was nice to meet you both. Thank you.
Husson Simulation Education Center is proud to own an advanced interdisciplinary patient simulator, HAL S5301. This manikin was launched last year, and we are among the early adopters. And our primary focus is really to provide the best educational experience to our students, and HAL will help us achieve this goal. The leadership at our university always encourages and supports the adoption of new techniques and tools to ensure exceptional education for our students. As a result, we are recognized for our unique approach to delivering quality education. With the help of artificial intelligence, HAL can answer many medical history and assessment related questions and follow voice commands and really learn over time. HAL's capabilities will make it an excellent tool to fulfill educational objectives across clinical disciplines and blur the lines between simulation and real life. Occupational therapy, physical therapy, pharmacy, and nursing will use it for their simulation scenarios, and this will allow students to develop their skills prior to working with actual patients, facilitating a smooth transition from our Simulation Education Center to clinical practice.
The field of healthcare simulation is rapidly expanding with the incorporation of AI mannequins, virtual reality, and immersive reality, to name a few. As early adopters, we strive to provide our students with the best tools to enhance their learning and skills. HAL S5301 offers several groundbreaking features such as conversational speech enhanced by artificial intelligence, lifelike motor movement, and next-generation simulated physiology. HAL can simulate stroke symptoms and other medical conditions, allowing educators to facilitate true-to-life clinical training experiences in healthcare. This level of fidelity has never been possible before, making HAL a game-changer in the field of simulation training. Simulation Education Center aims to follow standardized operation and guidelines, paving the way for accreditation. Having HAL will demonstrate our efficiency and help us achieve our goals.